Got something large you gotta send someplace else? Call PacMail. We ship anything, anywhere.
So finally sold those things, huh?
Yep, online.
Good. Never used them anyway. Need any help?
Got it.
Got something awkward to ship? Next time, use PacMail. We ship anything, anywhere.
Thank you. It's wonderful for you to be here.
Oh, a new tea set, dear?
Yes, it's for my grandson. Shipped all the way from the coast.
How nice.
Yes,
Oh, that's
so nice. So glad you all could come. I got it in a new
Got something fragile to ship? Next time, use PacMail. We ship anything, anywhere.
Thank